Hi guys, it's Tiny Tidy Tuesday again, and this is episode 30. So I have 3 deep cleaning tasks for you, so stay tuned and see what I get done. If you're new here, I would love to have you subscribe so you don't miss another Tiny Tidy Tuesday. My name is Michelle, and this is my everyday wife life. Okay, I was having a good day this morning. I woke up, no migraine, no neck ache, no backache, and I decided to go for a bike ride with Son. So I did that, and I'm feeling much better after going to the chiropractor 4 times. I have to go 2 more times this week, and hopefully I'll be on the mend. So we went for a 13-mile bike ride. I may have overdone it just a little bit. After our bike ride, we went in the pool for a little bit and I took a little rest, and now I'm ready to clean. Hey, I'm recording this current day actually on Tuesday instead of ahead of time, and I don't have anything recorded for you. Yeah, I'm doing this on the fly, so I'm sitting here deciding, do I want to vacuum the couch? But first I need to clean up. Don't forget, Tiny Tidy Tuesday is brought to you by Sunday Dawn at The Helpful Home. So when you're done watching my video, you're going to want to click the playlist below to get some more motivation to get some things done. And let me know what you tiny tidy today down in the comments. Just going to YouTube Music and selecting something to listen to while I clean so I can get motivated. And I'm going to play the Eagles. Do you like the Eagles? Let me know what your favorite Eagles song is. I can't really think of which one is my favorite. I will try to remember by the end of the video to let you know, but let me know what yours is in the comments below. Okay, so before I can vacuum the couch, I have to tidy up. So I'm actually doing 4 tidies in this video, but 3 deep cleaning tidy tasks. Anyway, so I just straightened up the family room real quick. Okay, so since May, I've been trying to incorporate the deep cleaning task, spring cleaning task, into my one and done cleaning routine, and it hasn't really worked out. I guess I don't have enough energy when I do my weekly cleaning to do that too. So I'm going to try to do that on Tiny Tidy Tuesdays here for the next couple of weeks. So I haven't vacuumed the couch in a really long time, but actually it's really not that bad. But I found a pen in there, and there's definitely a bunch of crumbs in there. And when I pulled the cushions off the couch, the cats wanted to play. And actually I found Zeke chewing on some of the crumbs. I didn't get video of that, but I'm like, oh, gross. I probably have not vacuumed my couch in like a year. Yeah, maybe 2. I don't know. So really it's not that bad. I'm also going to move the cushions around because, you know, we tend to sit in one spot and they get a little flat. And so move them around so we get the same amount of flatness in all the cushions. And fluff the cushions. Flip the cushions back around because they tend to slouch to the front. So I'm going to flip those around and zhuzh the couch. Okay, I'm just using the little nozzle attachment on my Shark vacuum, and it makes it real easy to vacuum the couch. I think at some point I switch over to the little brush attachment to get the pieces that I missed. Okay, all the cushions are rearranged and fluffed, and the back cushions are turned around to the front. Can you see how that cushion is slouched to the front? That's why I turned it around so it was slouched the other way, and I do that every so often. Yeah, just so that, you know, they all get the same wear and tear, and move them around in a different spot because I usually sit in the corner. Hubby sits on the one end and Son sits on the other end. So I move all the cushions around so, again, they can get the same wear and tear, and it will last longer, hopefully. And somebody asked me recently, I don't remember who it was, one of you subscribers, friends, asked me where I got my couch. It is from Haverty's. I think it's the Corey couch, and I'm pretty sure they don't have that anymore. But I had this couch before in a different configuration. It had what they call a cuddler on the end. It was just the partial couch and the cuddler. That was in my previous house, but we wanted a larger one. It holds up beautifully. I had a rooms to go couch before, and the bottom fell out of that. My niece has the same exact couch, and hers is held up with 6 children. She's had it for like 12 years. So I am just taking a little break, and I am drinking from my Bubba mug, and I've been trying to drink more water. I'm trying to do a few self-care things, going to the chiropractor so I can get ready for self-care September. Are you ready for that? I'm ready to kick it in gear. I've not been taking very good care of myself the last 2 years, honestly. Really, life happens. Anyway, I'm sitting here taking a break and resting my back and my neck and contemplating what task I want to do, if any, next. But I edit my video while I'm sitting here, and I only have like 7 minutes, and I'm like, okay, I need to do another task. So thank you for motivating me, because if it weren't for Tiny Tidy Tuesday, I'm not sure I would get any of this done. So I'm just drinking my water and using my favorite little handheld massager. If you're interested in anything that I mentioned in this video, I will try to link it below. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm telling you, get that massager or you will thank me later. Okay, so I'm looking up at the ceiling fan. I don't know if you can see on camera. It's hard to tell, but it is pretty nasty. I don't remember the last time I dusted it. It's been at least a year, again, if not 2. Just the last 2 years have been, I don't know. Moving on. We're not going to talk about it. We're on to new things. All right, so let's kick it into gear and clean that fan and get it all clean. I do have a ceiling fan duster thing, but this is a weird shaped fan, so it doesn't fit on there. So I just get some Dawn soap and put it on a wash rag and clean it that way. I have 3 zone cleaning videos that I keep trying to post, but haven't. So I'm just showing you the cornices that we finally get put up. Son put those up for me on Mother's Day. He did, instead of a present, he did some tasks for me like that. So, and I did wash those curtains, and I'm showing you still have these patches of paint on there that I'm contemplating painting the living room, or the family room rather. Whether or not that will get done anytime soon will be seen. I don't know. And now contemplating what I want to do next. Do I want to shampoo that carpet? I've never done that before. And this rug is from Boutique Rugs. I absolutely love it, but I'm afraid to shampoo it because it's like once you shampoo it, I feel like it gets dirtier. And you can't really see it on camera, but there is a couple spots that kind of dirty, kind of where we sit all the time. Yeah, those are the dirtier spots, but I need to vacuum this first, then get the steam cleaner. Again, I did do some deep cleaning tasks in my zone cleaning in those videos. As soon as I get them edited, I will hopefully have them out to you, and I plan to do Monday, Wednesday, Friday cleaning videos on a week because it's zone 1, 2, and 3. But yeah, I tried doing the deep cleaning task, and it was just too much for me. I don't know when I'm going to fit it in. And at some point the bottom fell out a little bit with my neck and yada, yada, yada. But I did manage to get all the curtains cleaned in the main areas of the house and some of the windows. So yeah, but I still have more things that need to be done. And I want to finish that before October or November rolls around, because I'll be back in the yard when the weather breaks to be doing some more landscaping and yard stuff. This is a new-ish steam cleaner that I got is way better than the last one I had. It had one of those bladder thing. Oh my god, it's a pain in the butt. So this is the Bissell Pet Pro, I do believe. I will try to link it down below. It is super easy to do. The water reservoir, you just pull it out super easy, fill it up, and then the dirty water, the same thing, is super easy to take in and out. And I don't know how clean the carpet did, but it certainly did pull up a lot of cat hair, and my steam cleaner needs clean because there's lots of cat hair in it, not just from this cleaning this. See those little spots? I don't know, they didn't really come clean. This rug is, I don't know, I feel like it's hard to steam clean, but yeah, definitely something came up because that water was pretty dirty. Turning the ceiling fan so it will dry. I will have to let you know in another video if those spot comes up, because you know it's still wet, so it's hard to tell if that came clean. I feel like it didn't. It's the very first time I ever steam cleaned this carpet. I've had it for 3 years when I redid the family room. If you want to see that series, I will try to link that down below for you so you can watch that series. That was in 2019 or 2020, and we got the carpet, the new couch, and painted it, and it looks vastly different than it did. I used to have an orange wall, like a rust color orange wall as an accent wall, and it looks really different. Just showing you the Bissell Pro, how easy it is to use. It does have a handheld attachment to do like the cushions and stuff. That doesn't work too great. Sometimes the water won't spray out. Maybe I'm not using it correctly, and that thing right there pops off. I can't do it one-handed because I'm holding the camera, but it pops off really easy to clean it. There's tons of cat hair in there. Gross. Yeah. Okay, just sitting down and taking another break before I put the steam cleaner away and editing this video so I can get it out to you and drinking my water. Oh my god. So I came in hubby's office to do my voiceover because hubby's in the bedroom. And look at this. Do you know what that is? That is Zeke. He tore up, not Zeke, Rudy Roo. He tore apart a whole roll of paper towels and shredded it. Oh my god. These cats, I just don't know. Okay, yeah, fun. Life with cats. Anyway, that's it for this video. Don't forget to watch the playlist. Will be linked here in the end screen. And I will also pin the comments down below, and you can click the link there. Until next time, guys, enjoy your day.